Let's talk about simple substitution. As the name suggests, simple substitution is one of the simplest strategies available for re-harmonizing chord progressions. It's an excellent strategy for adding a bit of variety to your harmony without changing the overall vibe or emotion of your chord progression. It's all based around the concept of functional harmony, which divides the diatonic chords in a key into three distinct groups: chords belonging to the tonic family, chords belonging to the subdominant family, and chords belonging to the dominant family. The diminished seventh chord in major keys is the only chord that belongs to two different families. Traditionally, it has always been taught as part of the dominant family, but starting in the 20th century, it began to see more and more frequent use as a subdominant functioning chord in both concert and jazz music. Now, if you're interested in learning more about functional harmony, I have a link to a longer video in the description below. But the basic idea behind simple substitution is that you can replace any chord in your progression with another chord from the same family. So in the major key, the tonic can be replaced with either the minor 3 or the minor 6 chords, since they all belong to the tonic family. The minor 2 can be replaced with the major 4 or diminished 7, and the 5 can be replaced by the diminished 7. Now, this strategy can be applied in a few different situations. The first is to just simply reharmonize an existing chord progression by swapping out a few chords. Here we have a simple 4-chord progression: C major, D minor, E minor, and G major. If I want to add some variety, I can use simple substitution to swap out, let's say, D minor for F major, since they're both subdominant functioning chords. Now, another strategy is to increase the harmonic rhythm, or the number of chords per measure, by simply shortening a few of your chords in your progression, and then filling in the newly empty space with chords belonging to the same family as the ones you shortened. A quick word of caution: if you are reharmonizing chords with a melody written over top, not all chords may work. If you run into a situation where your new chord sounds crunchy underneath your melody, it's probably because you formed a dissonant minor second or tritone interval between one of your new chordal tones and the melody. The solution here would be to either ditch the new chord or just adjust your melody to fix the issue. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, keep studying, keep working hard, and keep writing new music.